Hi guys, we are making Hanukkah for our craft today. So we have two sets of plates. We have the dinner plates and we have the dessert plates. And I have drawn some lines on the plate for you, or for us. And those are the places we're gonna cut. So we're gonna cut across and leave a part up top that shows for the shamash. And then we're going to cut two lines on the bottom, on the big plate. And on the little plate, we're going to cut it in half. So let's get cutting. Okay, so here is what our big plate looks like once we've cut it. It has the two slits at the bottom, and it's across with the spot up for the shamash. And here is what our little plate looks like cut in half. So we're going to put those down for a minute. The next thing we need are 9 clothespins. And we are going to use Sharpies to color one side of our Sharpie, or of our clothespins. So I'm going to bring the camera down so that you can see some of that happening. And I'm just going to grab any color and I'm going to color my clothespin. So we're going to keep coloring, and we'll see you in a few minutes, and we will show you exactly what our clothespins look like once we have finished coloring. All right, so we have decorated our clothespins lots of different ways. And what we have done is we have added some flames to our clothespin, because these are now our candles. And what I did was I took construction paper and I cut out a flame shape, and then I left a stem on it. And then you put the glue on the stem part, and then you can just glue it right inside the clothespin so that it is on one side and your candle will have a flame. You don't have to do that if it's too difficult, or if you just choose not to, that is okay. I did remember that I forgot to make some cuts when we were cutting our plates earlier. On our little plate halves, we do need to make a slit on the round part. So we will take our round little plates that we cut in half and just do a little snip on both of them. Because what we're going to do is we're going to take our big plate and we are going to put our little plate into the slit that we made in the big plate. And then they fit nicer when there's all those slits. And now our Hanukkah will stand up. Now we have some stickers. If you want to draw on your plate with your markers, you could do that too. Or you can leave it plain. But I'm going to put a star right in the middle of mine.
Can I have a star there too?
Mm-hmm. And then we are going to arrange our candles on our Hanukkah. So I'm going to put my shamash on first. Oop, lost the top of it. And then I'm going to add my other candles so that I have all 9 candles, because we have the 8 for the 8 days of Hanukkah, and our shamash, our helper. But if you were doing this during Hanukkah, you may only want to put on your shamash and 1 candle for each night, so that it can be used as a real flameless, although they have paper flames, Hanukkah in your house. But here is what the finished product will look like. Mine's leaning a little bit. I think my clothespins might be off balance. And we will see what Haley and Ethan created for their Hanukkah. Oh, there's Ethan's. Very, very decorative, colorful.